This is the 2018 SEMA Show here in Las Vegas, and I'm Kevin Ostie at SEMA Central. And part of the SEMA organization is the opportunity to be involved in a special council, or a subgroup, if you will. And Trey Smith is with me here, and you're from the ARMO organization.
That's correct. I am chairman of ARMO Council 2018 through 2020. ARMO Council, and we're an organization dedicated to preservation and advancement of the restoration market.
And that's what ARMO stands for?
Aftermarket Restoration Marketing Organization.
There you go. And that market segment it's always moving.
It's an evolving section. It's an evolving category, without a doubt. You know, obviously ARMO, when it got its birth, was involved in licensing agreements with the big three and trying to help make it easier for organizations and manufacturers to produce these licensed products that we have out there. So, but ARMO is changing just like the restoration market is changing and evolving from the purest restoration on to our resto mods and street machines that we have today, and we're all inclusive to that. So
I think a lot of people might not realize what it takes to produce a reproduction part from a legality side and for lack of a better term, a paperwork side, because you're talking about this licensing idea, and what he's speaking of is you just can't take a piece off a 56 Chevy and scan it or mold it and start selling it, because that piece kind of belongs to GM and its design. So
that's correct, Kevin, and those pieces are licensed and they are the property of General Motors. So we as a manufacturer, or we as a manufacturing organization, have to go to them, sort of get their blessing, so to speak, and present that product to them and say, this is what we're going to manufacture. We put the bow tie back out there, and we've made this emblem or this script or this product that has to be licensed. And if you don't, if you don't follow those procedures, then you obviously, there's some serious issues with that.
Sure, and if like so many businesses that are involved with SEMA, a lot of these manufacturers they're parts people. They might not be familiar with that licensing process. So how does ARMO assist these people?
We have a licensing guide that we produce. In fact, we just got through updating that. We have actually one of our select committee members that is his sole responsibility, is to go through that, and he has a lot of experience in that. But it gives you kind of a jumping off point. Who the contacts are, who the forms and so forth that has to be filled out, or where you can go online to fill out the forms, whichever the case may be, that then you can go to GM, to Ford, to Mopar, and to their licensing arms, and go through the correct procedures and give you that advice to where you're just not stumbling through the woods, so to speak.
Sure, tremendous advantage.
Yes, very much so. And this guide it's built for whether you're that small company making one product or you're a company making 4,000 items. There's a little bit different procedures for both of those. So it gives you some talking points, who to call, where to go, and where you're not just stumbling around.
Yeah, so it's definitely in your best interest, if you have an idea for a restoration product, to join ARMO.
That's correct. You can go to the ARMO page at SEMA.org. That'll give you the contacts and how to join ARMO. Obviously you have to be a SEMA member first, and then you can join the council. We have almost 300 different manufacturers that are part of it.
Big one.
It's a big one, and it's a great opportunity to use as a resource, not just to where you're not alone out there, walking through. You've got some support, you've got some advice, and you've got some mentors that can help you, as a company. A big thing we talk about when you're part of ARMO, especially on the select committee, when you walk into an ARMO function, we have to take our company hat off, and we become advisors for that point, there to serve you, the membership, and help you out. Even though, yes, you may be my competitor, I'm still there to help you and help you get through the battle of whatever you need. And we step outside the room, I got to put that company hat back on, but when I'm in that room with you, I'm here to help you. I'm part of ARMO.
Sure, and even though you're dealing with potential competitors, we're all in this together.
That's right. This is, this industry is a family. It is. Everybody, it's amazing how interconnected and how cross-connected we are across the different genres, the different segments. you know, we're all here to help each other out. And, you know, I truly believe that, and I take that to heart every day.
Absolutely. So whenever people ask me, hey, what's in it for me if I join SEMA? Well, this is a perfect example of benefits you can get by being active in the organization.
That's right. That's exactly right.
Trey, thank you for your time.
Kevin, thank you. It's a pleasure as always.
Hope you have a great show here at SEMA 2018 in Las Vegas.